Hey everyone, welcome to the day 3 of our Cornwall trip. We are heading to Lizard Point right now. It was raining earlier, but look at this now. The weather has cleared up beautifully and is perfect for exploring. So let's continue our journey and yes, welcome once again to Travel Saki. And also for your information, we have explored Cornwall in day 1 and 2. So don't forget to watch those videos later. Alright, let's dive right back into the beauty of this Lizard Point. It is actually the southernmost tip of mainland Britain. Our location represents the southernmost point in England, excluding coastal areas. We are as far south as you can go in England without jumping into the sea. Although Land's End gets all the fame, this spot is just as special. Different direction, same dramatic feeling of standing at the edge of the country. And the views are just stunning. Lizard Point offers not only breathtaking views, but also a vibrant ecosystem of unique and rare species of plants and animals. The cliffs and coastal paths are dotted with unique plants like Cornish heath, wild asparagus, and some wildflowers you won't find anywhere else in Britain. Occasionally, you may see the grey seals swimming in the waters below. Okay, that's it from Lizard Point. Hit like, smash subscribe, and let's roll into the next adventure. Until then, your Travel Saki signing off. Bye bye.